Travel with us to Houston, Texas. And let's take a look at what's coming up on tonight's video. It's going to be a scary and disturbing one tonight. Viewer discretion is advised. This is one reason you should always be vigilant and watch what you say to the wrong people. We have a shooting, and this is just a warm-up, so bite that lip, grab your bulletproof vest and of course the popcorn and your favorite beverage. And don't forget your favorite blanket, dim the lights. And without further delay, let's get this gun show started. We have a sly thief in this one. Well, he's the only one that thinks so. Check the face and be aware if you're in the area. And as always, keep an eye on your packages. This next clip is a good reason not to go out when you live in Houston, Texas. Or think twice who you get into shit with. We have a shooting at 1100 Roy. Be vigilant and be careful out there, my friends. Let's take a look. Finally, here comes Haley, click-clacking her ass about 2 minutes too late. Glad bro didn't leave his girl hanging after a shootout. Another 30 seconds and perhaps a different story. Just glad to say, as far as we know, no one was injured. A person approached this door this morning asking to come in. Homeowners said after a few minutes they left. Just sharing in case anyone sees this person around or has before. Please be aware.
Trick or treat. What is it? Where's my code? Where's my rope? Somebody in there, somebody in there. You're talking to yourself. Oh no. Not forcefully. Ask. Hello? Yes? Will anybody stay here? Yes, I do. Tony? Tony. My name is Tony.
Man wearing a mask stealing packages in a U-Haul truck. The way he is driving, we would not at all be surprised if it is a stolen vehicle as well. Shameful to say the least. How many of you want to agree this U-Haul bandit probably doesn't even have a license? Chooch alert. Chooch wearing a flash t-shirt and trying doorknobs during the day. Check this gremlin out after midnight. Not even your balconies are safe. Yikes. This stranger attempts to gain illegal entry into this resident's home. Be aware of late-night doorknob wigglers. And as you should already know, always keep your doors locked. Persistent little creeper this one is. The lights come on and he still creeps. Yikes. Turn those notifications on immediately. Homeowner in this clip said my truck was stolen out of my driveway. It took less than a minute. They disabled OnStar, but I had another tracker. Found the truck days later and had the police tow it for evidence. We at Twisted TV say that was strangely quick on how fast they stole this vehicle. Something doesn't quite add up in this one. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments. Suspicious activity. An older woman walked up to this home at 11 p.m. last night. Homeowners said she looked lost, and I didn't think anything of it until I saw the same lady again just before 6 a.m. this morning. She was looking through my vehicle windows and trying to open the doors. Not sure if she has dementia and perhaps lost or what. Just making all aware. Thanks. And keep an eye on your grandmas. We have a trespasser coming into this garage around 3 a.m. in the morning. He opened the door to this homeowner's car, took a cup of quarters out of the center console, and left. Homeowner admits they accidentally left the garage open at 11 p.m. during the night. We at Twisted TV say it could have been much worse. We all make mistakes and forget things. Let it be a lesson to you and all watching. Don't forget to shut and lock all your doors. And always expect the unexpected. And like the chooch that this low-life thief is, he leaves with his cup of quarters and probably feels he scored. Keep your garage doors shut and locked. Don't make a mistake like this homeowner and lose your cup of quarters. Yes, and of course we have a porch pirate in this one. A grown-ass man stealing packages around 2 p.m. in the broad daylight. Looks like he has a partner in crime. Two grown-ass men that do this with their lives. This partner in crime pulls up in a grey truck to pick this fumbling ass clown idiot up. Keep an eye on your packages. Speaking of ass clown idiots, we have another porch pirate doing what porch pirates do. Turn on your notifications. Unknown man trespassing on front porch.
Sir, get off my porch.
Okay, I was looking for a plug. Just a plug so I can plug in the phone for about 2 minutes. Do you have one?
Please get off my porch now, or I'm gonna call the cops.
This woman walked by my camera, waited until she thought she was out of view, turned around and grabbed my packages. Another porch pirate strikes again. Stolen tires in this one. Keep an eye not only on your cars, but the tires that drive your car. Ridiculous. Gable's apartments. The fire alarm in the building is going off. Not sure if this is a false alarm or what, but no one seems to be leaving. Eerie and a little apocalyptic to say the least. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Car thieves. These two scumbags stealing from cars. Keep your doors locked and be aware if you're in the area. Mail thief with a master key. What the hell kind of score can be made by raiding mailboxes like this these days? Completely shameful, not to mention a felony act. Stealing smelly shoes almost makes more sense than this. Let us know your thoughts in the comments as usual. We will just never understand this one. And last, but not least, the last video of the night. Another porch pirate. Go ahead and say it with us at this point. Turn him notifications on and keep an eye on your packages. We hope you enjoyed the video. We upload new content weekly. Please show your support and consider punching that like, share and subscribe button in the face like it's a porch pirate stealing your packages in tonight's video. In doing so you won't miss out on new content uploaded weekly, most times daily. Hit that subscribe button now, to join the family and be part of the Twisted TV crew today. As always, keep it classy. Stay safe and always be vigilant, my friends. We hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.